This is a continuation of the last video of the BMW 530 aluminum front end. As you can see, now the Celette fixtures have been set up to measure the vehicle as per factory requirements. The rails are going to be set up, and that way they'll be held in the right position on the left side. The right side's already been measured and pulled and straightened. The car now is getting, the aluminum is being prepared for welding and riveting. This is all being done at Richard's Body Shop in Chicago on the Celette bench with the fixtures as per factory requirements. All of this work is being done in a dedicated aluminum repair space of 6,000 square foot with dedicated spray booths and prep stations. Here are the new parts. They're being prepped for welding and, not welding, I apologize, for bonding and riveting.